Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Metal. Imported. Powerful motor with precision gearing, offers 0.25 HP, 0.19 kilowatts, at 21,000 revolutions per minute free speed. The 301B grinder includes ball bearing construction and precision machine steel gears for elongated tool life. Easy to use. Integral safety lock throttle lever prevents accidental startup. Strong aluminum housing withstands tough operating conditions. The right angle of the 301B allows for easier access to hard-to-reach places. Show more. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Straight grinder DeWalt. 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 Aluminum body design. Touch control trigger. Show more. 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 Show. The number 2 on the list is power. Motor delivers 0.33 HP, 0.25 kilowatts, and 25,000 revolutions per minute free speed. Piped away exhaust ready. These die grinders are compatible with piped away exhaust kits, so you can transfer exhaust away from you and your workspace. Durable. Ball bearing construction improves balance, reduces vibration, and ensures a longer life. Reliability. Integral safety lock throttle lever prevents accidental startup. Lightweight. At only 1 pound, the ergonomic composite housing protects this tool from cold air and offers greater operator comfort. Built-in lubricating wick increases angle gear life. Rear exhaust directs air away from the operator. Show more. The number 1 on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. DeWalt built brushless motor for efficient performance and runtime of the die grinder. The electric die grinder has up to 25,000 RPM with variable speed trigger. Illuminate dark work areas with LEDs at the nose of the DeWalt die grinder. Multiple handle grasping options with dual position rocker switch. See more product details. Hails, 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 hails.